If you're dealing with GetResponse login issues, you're not alone, and I'm here to help you get back into your account quickly. In this video, we'll cover some simple fixes, but stick around, because we'll also explore some alternatives to GetResponse that could actually make your email marketing easier. So, if you want to fix GetResponse login issues and discover a better way to manage your email campaigns, keep watching. First off, let's start with the most common issue, forgotten passwords. It happens to the best of us, right? If you can't log in because you've forgotten your password, go to the GetResponse login page and click Forgot Your Password. This will send a reset link to the email address you used to sign up. Follow the instructions, and you should be able to reset your password and regain access to your account in just a few minutes. Next thing to check, ensure that your email and password are entered correctly. Sounds obvious, but it's easy to make a typo, especially on mobile. Double check for any extra spaces, capital letters, or misspelled email addresses. If everything looks good but you're still having trouble, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes, corrupted data can cause login issues, so clearing that out might fix things instantly. The third thing, browser compatibility. Some users have reported issues when using certain browsers. If you're having trouble, try switching to a different browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. It could be that your browser settings or extensions are interfering with the login process. If you're still stuck, try logging in from an incognito or private browsing window, which disables most extensions. Now, let's talk about two-factor authentication. If you've enabled 2FA on your GetResponse account, but you're not receiving the code, first, check your spam or junk folder in case the email was redirected there. If you've lost access to your 2FA method, you may need to contact GetResponse support directly to regain access to your account. They'll walk you through the process of verifying your identity and getting back into your account. And now for something more serious, account suspensions. If you've violated GetResponse's terms of service, they may suspend your account. If this happens, you'll usually get an email explaining why and what you can do to resolve the issue. Check your inbox and your spam folder for any notifications from GetResponse about account suspensions. Finally, let's take a step back and talk about alternatives to GetResponse. If these login issues continue to be a headache, you might want to consider exploring some other platforms. For example, ConvertKit and MailChimp are popular alternatives with more intuitive interfaces and smoother user experiences. Both offer free trials, and they might just be a better fit for your needs, especially if you're facing repeated login issues with GetResponse. Before you go, I want to mention that we have an exclusive extended free trial for alternative software, which is a great option if you're looking for something more reliable. This extended trial gives you all the features of the paid plan for a limited time, and through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits not available to the general public. So, if GetResponse login issues are holding you back, don't stress. Try the solutions we discussed, but also consider these amazing alternatives that offer better functionality for your goals. Click the link in the description for the best free trials and exclusive perks for our viewers.